According to a recent study, the average American age 65 and older has 237 invested in a 401k. Here are 3 strategies to help you beat the average before you retire. Social Security is a vital income source for many of its roughly 53.5 million recipients. Regardless of when you plan to retire or the role Social Security will play in your retirement finances, having an idea of what monthly benefit to expect is essential for financial planning. While any income in retirement is helpful, the hard truth is the average monthly benefit at that age won't be enough to cover living expenses for many retirees. Your full retirement age, FRA, is one of the most important numbers you should know about Social Security and retirement in general. It's the age when you're eligible to receive your primary insurance amount, PIA, which you can think of as your standard benefit. From there, monthly benefits are either decreased or increased based on when you claim relative to your FRA. The earliest you can claim Social Security benefits is 62. In general, claiming benefits before your FRA reduces them by 0.59% each month within 36 months of FRA. Beyond 36 months, Social Security further reduces benefits by 0.512% each month. There's no one-size-fits-all approach regarding how much you'll need in retirement. However, there are rules of thumb you can use to help guide you. One of them is the 80% rule, which says you should aim to generate 80% of your last working year's income annually in retirement. With rising prices and increased healthcare costs, meeting your financial needs with Social Security benefits alone is challenging, even with regular cost of living adjustments. This should be a reminder of the importance of having multiple sources of retirement income. A 401k might not be available to you because it depends on your employer, but a retirement account like an IRA can be a great option as well. You can open an IRA on your own, similar to a bank account, and it often provides great tax breaks, offers flexibility in investment choices, and has early withdrawal exceptions that can come in handy for life events like purchasing your first home or paying for higher education. You can also lean on investments from a brokerage account. History has shown that dollar-cost averaging over time, regardless of how small the investments are, can really add up to significant amounts. There's no such thing as being over-prepared for retirement, but you can absolutely be underprepared. If you're like most Americans, you're a few years or more behind on your retirement savings. Once you learn how to maximize your Social Security benefits, we think you could retire confidently with the peace of mind we're all after.